Okay, we're just going to stitch all the way around, 1/4 inch. And we're going to leave a hole for turning. Okay, you're going to clip all your corners, trim off any excess fabric, and then turn it right side out. Oh, I was going to say, I hope I left a hole. And you're going to want to give this a good press when you're done. I had starched all the fabric in the blocks before I started. Poke out your corners and tuck that in your hole because you're going to close it through there. Now I'm just going to go all the way around, close up that hole, and then I'm going to add some additional quilting after it's closed. All right, here we go. Oh, and I forgot my corner on that one. To poke it out later. See, that's why it pays to iron. All right. This is a great scrap buster for orphan blocks and just a great gift. All right, I'm back to where I started. It's technically done, but I'm going to add some quilting down the lines on both sides, stitching in the ditch. So I will do that. And the same on this side. And you're going to want to back stitch. Or you can leave your thread tails longer and then cut them and pull them to the back and knot them. All right, I went down this side and this side. I'm just going to go here, here, and I'm done. I went too fast on that one, got a pucker, but back stitch. And there you have it. It's all done. Just need to clean up all my threads. I like to give it another good press. Thanks for watching.